This is I think 2017 Toyota Rav4 all-wheel drive LE, and we are just gonna replacing the headlight bulb. So let me turn on the headlight. Okay, let's check which one is now working. So that one is working. Oops. And okay, that one passenger side, let me just put over here, right there. So this one is working and this one is not. Okay, let's get the bulb. So I got this 9 Hila, then 012 LL. So okay, the way we remove this is it's not really that hard. So right here, see this. Let me that one. Yes. Okay. So twist it counterclockwise. See that? There. Now it's off. Let's remove it. Oops. Ooh. I think it's just grounded. Now it's on now. But anyway, so I just turn off the headlight. So the way we remove this, yes, I don't know if you could see it. So press this one. It's so tough to show it here. So press this one and then pull this bulb. So I'll be able to show you. There you go. That's the bulb. And when I moved it a while ago, it's not that dirty. It's pretty much clean. But I'm gonna clean it with the electric cleaner. One sec. So I don't know if you could see it, but I got this electric cleaner and just clean it. Okay. More. Nice. Let it dry. Then same thing on the other one. Right here. Let me see. Yeah, you see that? So counterclockwise. Just you can first you can press this and pull it. There you go. And counterclockwise. There you go. Now let's put this new one. Okay. So let's just compare it. They're pretty much the same. Okay. So let's put it on. This time clockwise. There you go. Then set it. Perfect. And now the second one over here. I don't know if you could see it. There's no way you could see it because Anyway, this you have an idea of how we put this. So let's put this way, then there we go. Is it in? Not yet. Okay, go. Alright, it's already in. Right there. And then the second one. Right there. So that's our old one. Now, let's try it. Turn on the light. Perfect. Nice. High beam. That's high beam. Alright, not a bad. Okay. Low beam. Off. On. Off. On. Then off. Alright. There you go. This is just a quick replacement for a head light bulb for I think this is 2017 Toyota Rav4. So if you had any question, any suggestion, please comment down below and consider like and subscribe my channel too. That's all for today, and see you on my next video. Bye.